Are you tired of Stockholm videos always looking so gorgeous? That's why I'm going out. And it is disgusting out. It is actually gross. It is about 10 degrees, got no makeup on except for mermaid eyeshadow from ColourPop. Is that I don't have a job, I don't have any responsibilities, I don't have anything to do today, so I am going out in the pissing rain. I'm gonna go to Gamla and I'm gonna go via the ferry. So you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna go. So do you wanna follow me around? Do you wanna come with me? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna make a crappy video. I'm getting used to this whole vlogging thing and I'm gonna do my best. I also have you on my iPhone, so the video quality is okay. But I've got my umbrella, I've got a jacket, I've got my Fjall Rabbit. I've got my shitty umbrella that will invert in just the slightest bit of wind. So follow me, I'll take you along and I'll show you my fun day, even though it's a crappy day in Stockholm. Lost in the wilderness. This is the way things work in the woods. You were chasing up the wind. Tangled up and frozen in. Now the dark is catching on. Show me secret paths, trapdoors. All the love that you have and the passion that you feel when you light up the sky in the blackest of nights. You've been a lonely fox, lost in the wilderness. This is the way Gamla is busy. I got some ice cream, got pistachio and salted caramel, two of my favorite flavors, and you can see that my eyes kind of match, right?